welcome back again to another episode of Beanie Versus. Let's go! And this time, I'm so excited because it's my bias. Ay! Lahat naman sila, bias ko. But my ultimate bias is here. So, it's Mika Verse. Oh my gosh! So, alam nyo na kung sino yung manok ko dito. So, let's be quiet na. At be quiet, pero ang ingay-ingay ko habang nanonood. Pagbigyan nyo na, channel ko to eh. And I cannot wait to watch this episode. Of course, it's gonna be chaotic and so much fun. Let's go. Let's start it. Hey! Dapat ahead. Let's go, girls! Out of my head. Hala, umpisa pa lang ang OA na. Pag ito kinat... Char lang. Lagi na lang nakakat tong intro na to. But anyways, let's go! And then, so excited lang. Episode 6 of Beanie
Welcome
Versus.
to my episode that is called Mika Olympics!
Mika Olympics! Okay, alright.
Okay, and
Hey.
for today's episode, nako, kailangan natin ng maraming energy kasi
Oh.
my episode is the most active episode among all the episodes so far.
The most
Kailangan
active.
natin ng maraming energy to live life to the fullest. Kaya we need the
To live life to
extra
the fullest.
energy from the all-new best ever Enervon.
I do have one. I do have.
Welcome to Beanie
Ay,
Versus!
nag-promote din siya, baka naman.
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
Can I have? Thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay, sabay-sabay.
iinom silang lahat.
Wait, teka lang.
Nako.
It smells so orange.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Nako. Jo,
You feel it? Na-feel nyo? Na-feel nyo? Message.
what?
Ito na, let's go!
Oh my Lord. Umpisa pa lang. Ayun na. Ang saya na naman ni Mika Lynn. Oh my gosh.
Okay, how do we pick
Ay,
up from
nako
this
po.
chaos?
Umpisa pa lang yan ah. Ganyan
Let's
po
all
talaga
start
sila.
my Beanieverse with the energy we got from Enervon.
Hey.
Okay,
Oh.
this is the mechanic. You guys have to
Aya,
create a cheer.
kalma.
Oh! I love it.
Oh.
You guys have to create a cheer introducing yourselves by sharing personal stories on how their energy allows them to live their lives to the fullest.
Hala, hindi ko kaya yan ako.
And you have 5
Kaya
minutes
niya
to
yan.
create your cheer.
Dumo.
No.
No.
Gumagawa na sila sa utak nila ng cheers.
Si Sheena meron, bebe, sampulan mo lang. Bebe, 1, 2, 3, go.
Huwag mo kasi
Dali na.
ano.
1, 2, 3, go.
Huwag mo kasi siya pilitin.
Dali na. 1, 2, 3, go. Ano ba yan?
Okay, and they did one. Solo lang daw.
Solo.
Wala, hindi ko kaya gumawa. Seryoso talaga. Okay, anyway. Ano lang G. You guys have 5 minutes to create this cheer.
Sobrang creative.
Then perform it. The top 5.
I love this, I
Next
love
round,
this.
I'm gonna pick randomly the
Pwede
order.
may group. Paano yung win?
Hindi nga. Solo
Me.
nga.
Hindi, ano na lang. By group na lang. Tapos sino pinakakikay na ano. Dami
Gumawa ng sariling mechanics.
Ano yung ano?
Hindi nakinig sa Game Master. Sushiloy nyo.
Hindi ko kailangan mag-sample ni
magkakwento
Mika.
ka na lang. The cheer is about sharing personal stories.
Hindi, alam ko na. Mag-sample mo na yung Game Master.
Hindi, walang ganon dito.
Sample mo.
Walang ganon dito.
Walang gano'n.
Alam ko na sino panalo. Ito
Okay,
na.
let's start the timer of 5 minutes.
Ang daming energy. Oh my God.
Hoy, mag-start na ha! Ayun na, nag-start na sila.
Wala nga.
Five.
Voluntary exit na lang ako.
Ito, pom-poms kayo, gamitin niyo yan.
Every episode, ang shiloy nyo, ang gulo. I love that Stako.
Wait lang, 5 minutes starts now!
Okay, let's go. Ayaw mo.
Guys, alam ko na, kayo na mag-cheer for me.
Hey, help Gwen.
Guys, mag-voluntary exit na lang ako.
Hindi, kulit. Gawin mo
Nakita
yan.
ko pa lang yung mga pom-poms, binasa ko pa lang na ganun yung gagawin. Alam ko nang talo na ako.
Hindi! Pumunta ka dyan, walang voluntary.
Voluntary exit. Oy! Oy! Ang nika...
Top 4 lang yun, bumalik ka dyan!
Blooms! Alam niyo na. Ang gugulo nila. Oh my gosh.
By group na lang.
By group.
Spot kayo.
Ah. Oh, ayun na.
Tapos sino pinakamadami energy?
Gusto mo ni Joanna.
Ayan o, madami energy.
Daming energy.
Tapos papasok isa-isa.
Bloom, screenshot. Screenshot.
Group na lang, pero solo-solo may spot.
Pang entry yan sa Mikaya calendar. Let's go.
Halika na, halika na.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Lahat nakabilang lahat.
Ang lala. Ang lala. Ganyan ba nagagawa ng Enerbone? Kaya pala napaka-OA ko rin kasi umiinom din ako. Baka naman. Uy, nag-promote.
Ay, bawal kaldag!
Bawal ka.
Cheer namin to. 5, 6, dapat nandito ka ba? 5, 6,
Bawal ka lang.
try to eat ito. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Tuwan-tuwa siya sa Seven Sisters niya, no? Time's up. May nabuo ba?
Sa cheer, sobrang biglaan lang ng mga nangyari kanina. Alam mo yun, hinayaan lang namin mag-flow yung idea.
Yay!
Ang ending, wala kami nabuo.
Wala
It's so
nga.
perfect.
It's so
Wait lang,
perfect.
meron akong box dito.
Okay.
Yung bubunutin ko, is yung unang mag-solo.
Oh. Gwen, kaya mo yan. Ay, ah. Grabe energy, ah.
Guys,
Sayang mo na.
Crystal. Umiiyak na si Gwenny. Help niyo yung dalawang nonchalant.
Tit mo yung pagsulat mo. We are Vinny. Okay. Magano na tayo, magano one line lang. Bilog muna.
Uy, magpe-perform kayo sa camera, hindi bilog nyo ha. Okay. Gusto ko may split ha.
Ay, may split daw.
And then I want some kicks
Oy, may kicks
and
pa.
jumps.
Ang daming request ng host niyo.
Oh, you're not ready yet.
Ready.
Yep! Go!
5, 6, 7, go!
Ang iingay nila. Muntik na ako sabay-sabay. Go there. Let's go, Gwen. Hey, hey. Hindi na nawala yun every episode. Kayo talaga. Ay, let's go. Wow! Wow! Nag-split! Gusto niya humiga! Let's go, Colette! Oh! Alright, alright. Hey!
Uy, hindi pa tapos!
Hindi ba?
Stacy!
Let's go, Sako. Oh! Split! Come on! Ayan now! Let's go! Yung part niya na naman. Nakakapanghina tong mga to. Let's go, Shi! Hey! Oh my gosh. Ay, nako po. Eh, wow. Oh! Hey! Hey! What? Okay.
Kapinale! 5, 6, 7, go!
Give me an N! Give me an A! Give me an R!
Alright.
Give me a B!
Okay.
Give me an O!
Oh!
Give me an N!
Let's go.
I would rate it a 10 out of 10 kasi ako yung host.
Ang lala. Sobra. Buti na lang nag-enervon tayo. Tanggalin mo na ako.
Kasi di nakapag-BTS si Gwyneth.
Now, I want you guys to tell me, when did you
Again.
guys feel the
Oh
most
my
like,
gosh.
energetic, fullest?
Today.
Today.
Right at this moment.
Wait,
Wait,
Tatawagin pala ni Ma'am.
wait.
Okay.
When we did the cheer. Apak-cute.
Joanna,
Let's go, Jo.
because
Because, you know, the Enervon, it changed us to be a better person. to be a better person of this community.
Oh, yeah.
And I felt it when I drank water plus energy.
okay, next, Ate Maloy.
I feel it when we are performing.
Alright.
Because you know, the energy that the blooms and the
Hey!
people...
Blooms.
Bakit ba nalalagot lagi? It's okay to reciprocate the energy
Wow.
that they've been giving. Pero
Reciprocate.
kahit na hindi mo sila magbigay ng energy, I think dapat sa atin nanggaling energy
Okay.
sa passion natin, sa talent natin, and everything that
Nagyaping
we
na
did.
siya.
Kasi pinaghirapan natin to eh, di ba? Nag-enerbon tayo, tapos hindi ka
Ayan na
energy.
naman siya.
Wala silang energy, tayo ang bibigay ng energy.
Hey! Galing, galing.
Okay, Sheila.
Maloy.
Iyak yan.
Oh, may drama.
Girls, come here.
There,
Oh my God.
5, 6, 7, go.
Let's go.
I feel the most energized every time I wake up in the morning. Because when I wake up, there's energy. If
Right.
you don't have energy when you wake up, you have a problem. So,
Okay.
just go back to sleep if you still don't have energy.
Don't go to
Good
work.
job, good job. Ate Colette.
Dapat yun yung sagot ko kay Joanna eh. Eto, today, ito na yung pinaka-energetic kong Mamaya, sa next episode, sino man ang next, wala na akong energy. Eto na yun.
Pre daw, pre. Pre zone. Uy, ang gulat nyo.
Me, when I do my favorite hobby.
Hey. Ow, running, of course. Let's go. Wall climbing. Oh, oh wow.
And when?
Hey. Hindi ko kaya yun.
When I feel most energized, when you're
Before the surgery.
yes.
Before the surgery.
the most energized before I went to the dentist.
Oh yeah.
Still has knowledge and wisdom.
Oo naman si Gwen. Okay,
Aww.
next. Sino last? Stacy.
I feel energized every time I jog, every time I...
You jog? Stacy? You serious?
How do you jog? Yeah, I jog like every morning at 5 a.m.
5 a.m.
5 steps lang.
5 steps lang daw.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, princess.
Parang si Amma.
Si Ama.
No, I'm just kidding. Every time I perform, of course.
Ah,
That's when I feel energized.
of
How about
course,
you,
of
Miss?
course.
I feel energized. And
Bumalik sa'yo yung tanong.
I'm here with Enervon V+. Wow!
Galing mag-promote.
Oh my God. At dahil dyan, pipili na ako ng aking top 5.
Let's go. Papasok yung manok natin dyan. I know it.
Close your eyes.
Close your
Exactly,
eyes.
you're in the next round. Okay?
Wow, direct Lore na mimik
Yung ano, parang yung ano lang, impostor.
Mafia.
Nakuha ko kayo?
Ow! Ow! Yung dalawang nonchalant natin. Tuwa sila nung natanggal.
Energized right now.
Nonchalant talaga.
Tanggap ko naman na lagi na lang akong nasa top 5.
Are you guys ready for the next round?
Yes. I have plans.
Let's go.
Born ready.
Wow.
I am born ready.
Alright, now let's move on to the second round.
Hey,
And here
let's
are
go.
our top 5.
Bata natin, pasok pa.
Top 5 lang ako.
Hindi, baka panalo ka na this round. Kasi this
Galingan mo,
round,
Stako.
meron tong kinalaman sa gummy bears. Okay. So 5 players are going to transfer.
Kulit talaga. Hindi na
5 players to
nakinig.
transfer the gummy bears from one big bowl using a straw. Bawal gumamit ng kamay.
Okay.
To the bottle
Bawal.
on the other side.
Bawal gumamit mo.
Ano, tara? Gusto nyo ma-delay tayo? Guys have 3 minutes to do it.
Okay.
And then 3 players with most number of gummy bears proceed to the next round.
Yeah.
Are we ready? Okay, let's bring the props in. Top 5, take your position.
Let's go.
Ready? Timer starts now.
Alright. Wow. Una si Master Joe.
Hindi
Oh,
nadidikit yung gummy
okay.
bear sa straw ko kasi natatawa ako kay Joanna. Kasi rinig na rinig kung paano siya sumipsip ng gummy bear.
Ang hirap humigop ha. Ang hirap sumipsip. I thank myself for holding in my breath na
Kaya mo
after
yan.
that sumakit nga yung ulo ko.
Oh no. Oh, yes, let's go. Alright.
Let's go. Picture nyo naman sila.
Hindi ko po ginustong laruin yung shoot candy
It's
kasi
okay, Gwen.
hindi siya kaya ng aking bibig ngayon.
Oh, that's alright.
Masaya na ako napapanood silang masaya.
Oh. Let's go, Shi.
Go kayo niya.
Sa kabila ka. Nandiyan si Aya. Sa kabila ka.
Kinamay.
Sorry. Not sorry.
Doon ako sa side eh.
Hoy!
Ate Aya, dito ako eh.
Kaya na. Uy, sayang yung gummy bears.
Guys, huwag niyo kulay eh. No,
Ay.
favorite ko yan. Chan-chan kasi yung ano ko. Go guys, kaya niyo yan.
Kakamayin niyo pa.
Ako yellow.
Kalma. Let's go, Aya.
Straw.
Come on. Uy, nahulog pa.
Bawal!
Hindi, pwede yan. Pagbigyan mo na.
Ulit ka doon.
Okay lang yan. Ulo. Grabe siya.
Ano talaga ng mga to?
Binalik. Uy. Kalmado lang si Maloy. Sobrang chill ang paglakad niya.
Guys, relax lang kasi. Ayan, si Ate Maloy, naka-relax lang oh.
Relax lang, relax. Let's go, Shi. Let's go.
Talo ko dito, guys.
Alright. Let's go. Si Joanna, tawa na lang ng tawa.
Go, Jo!
Wow, Maloy, wow. Okay. Yung Josie nyo. Tawa na lang ng tawa. I'm safe.
Huh?
Uy. Let's go, Jo. Uy, wag ka daw tumakbo, Jo. Sabi ni boss. Concern. Ay. Let's go, princess. Ba't hindi na siya?
Bawal yan! Bumalik ka dito.
Wow. Wow, ang dami na ni Maloy. Tawa na lang sila sa likod. Uy. Walang nasushoot si Stacy ah. Let's go, Aya. Let's go. Ay, nahulog. Si Jo hindi na nakabalik. Eh, let's go.
4,
Eh,
3,
habol mo yan.
2, 1.
Okay, tanggal ang Josie.
Tanggal ang Josie.
Dami! Galing! Paano yung ginawa hirap?
Oh my God. I love this. I love this game.
Stand back.
Ang saya.
Stand back.
Stand
Okay,
back.
bilang na tayo. Sino dito? Okay.
Okay.
Bye! You have been eliminated, Josie.
I did my very best, pero
It's okay, status.
I'm not the best.
Ang hirap sumipsep, pero ako yung pinakauna
Tawa
nakashoot.
kasi kayo ng
Pero hindi ko alam,
tawa.
after nun, pinapatawa na ako nila, bebe, tapos ginagano nila yung straw ko. So, wala na, hindi na ako nanalo.
Ay, nako po.
Yay!
This one's Ate Maloy's. Siya yung pinakamarami.
Wow.
She has 9 gummy bears.
9.
Kasta ako ba to?
hangin niya, sabi ang vocalist.
Joanna has 2. Yes, mine has 2. Stacy has 2.
Okay.
Sheena has 3.
Alright.
Ate Aya has...
Wow, 6.
Galing Ate Aya.
Uy, may compliment. May say ko.
Bias ka ba?
Bias. Siyempre.
Okay.
Kaya ka
Our
ba?
top 3 are Sheena. And Ate Maloy. And
Hey.
Ate Aya.
Yay! Pasok sa top 3. May pag-asa pa, may pag-asa pa.
Me reaching top 3 is my favorite.
Kaya yan, kaya.
How
Let's
do you
go.
feel that you're up to the last round?
Pinipreserve ko lang energy ko.
How about you? Kate?
I feel lucky.
How about you?
I feel lucky.
Lucky.
I'm the luckiest.
No, I'm the luckiest.
Luckiest.
Oh.
Luckiest.
Let us all welcome the last round of today's episode, which is
Jackstone.
called Jackstone Premium Challenge.
Okay.
And this is the hardest, I would say the hardest challenge. But first, let's welcome our top 3!
Eh,
You're going to play
dami
Jackstone.
energy ni Malong.
But the catch is,
Favorite ko yan.
di ba yung bola ng Jackstone maliit lang?
Yeah.
But this one we're gonna use a volleyball because I love volleyball.
Eh, see you soon
So,
sa
nandiyan kayo sa
All-Star
floor.
game. I cannot wait to
Jackstone's
see you
nasa floor, pero
playing
we're playing
volleyball.
Okay?
Sabay-sabay.
And then 2 minutes time limit per each
Ang
player.
OA ko, sorry.
Okay?
Nag-enervon tayo eh.
And then I will award the player.
Wala na siyang choice. Siya na nauna. Dalawang
Are you
to.
ready? Timer.
Hey, let's
Starts
go.
now.
Okay.
Pagkuha na isa, ilipat.
1,
Oh.
2,
Oh, alright. Let's go.
3.
Mhm.
Gawin mo.
4.
Bawal yun, gumalaw.
Pwede na yun. Pwede na yun.
Dapat. Tapon ko. Ayun. Bawal lang alin.
Gumalaw yung Jackson. Wala.
Okay lang yan, touch mo.
You're delusional.
Gaslighter!
Oh yeah.
Tuna.
Yan.
Masyadong malayo. Tapos.
Okay. Napaka-supportive ng girl sa likod, no? Okay.
Okay lang yan, okay na.
Okay lang daw. Okay lang yun.
Okay lang, sige.
Okay lang. Ate Aya yan. Okay lang yan.
An ordinary brush can leave more plaque behind, Lara. Well, plaque can lead you here paying for cavities.
That's why I switched to Oral-B Electric. Its round brush head remove up to 100% more plaque. Don't let cavities make you pay.
Okay lang yan, basta si Ate Aya okay lang.
Okay lang yan. Basta si ate.
Disqualified na
Basta
daw.
si ate Aya.
Okay lang ate. Depende sa rule yun.
Oo.
Bawal mo gumalaw. Pero dapat
Yung hambebe nyo doon.
Wala, ulit.
Cute.
Ano yung bawal gumalaw?
Bawal mo.
Focus, focus.
Sa amin depende. Depende sa usapan niyo. Ayan, yun
Oh,
talaga.
depende sa
Sige na,
usapan.
go na.
Oh, go na raw. Pwede na yun.
Bawal yun.
First round pa lang may gumalaw na eh.
Depende sa rules nung ano.
Wow.
Yan.
Sa pag ganon, back to zero.
Pag
Diba? Last 10, 9, 8, 7.
Let's go.
One more.
Sige na, go na.
Go na raw.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Ako next.
When I saw the volleyball sa Jackstone game, I really missed like my volleyball days and playing volleyball.
See you
in
player
general.
number
So,
8.
natin sino tayo.
Hindi, edi pwede
Nice try, nice try.
gumalaw na siya.
number 3 lang.
So, pwedeng gumalaw, tapos kapag may mali kang ginawa, ulitin mo lang yung
Pag
level na yun.
nag-bounce ng madami.
3, 2, 1.
Level 1 lang ata.
Let's go, Shi. Okay lang yun. Oo. Bunso card. Okay.
Yan, ganyan lang. Yan.
Nakaluhod siya. Si Aya nakaupo. Relax lang yung upo niya eh. Pero si Shi nakaluhod. Okay.
So, si... Parang Squid Games to.
Hey. Alright. Arm bracelet.
Ginago.
Okay lang yan.
Eh. Bunso card, syempre. Layo. Layo.
Layo.
Okay.
Sige na, go na. Continue mo na.
Yan.
Alright. Oh.
Sige na, go lang. Go. Go lang, bebe. It's you naman.
Oh.
Go lang.
Yay.
Wala kang mali. Perfect ka.
Wala kang mali.
Perfect ka.
Wow.
Okay lang. Oh, 3.
Yan.
Oh. Yes, baby. Let's go.
Isang kamay.
Eh. Yes.
Saya ni Mika.
Tama lang. Ang ginagawa mo.
Rinibol niya na lang.
Not my sport, Jackstone. So, I accept my defeat. Kasi pag winner ka talaga, you accept defeat.
Hey, let's go. Two.
Okay, go, Tamalo.
Rinibol niya na lang.
Timer starts now.
Iba-iba talaga sila ng presko, no? Kung saan sila comfortable. Uy!
Ay, magaling.
Parang napaka-expert niya.
Panis ka, Ate Aya.
Panis daw si Ate Ay. Hey! Easy! Easy lang. Sports ata to ni Maloy nung high school eh.
Favorite
Tapos pala mataas.
Oo. Itaas yung bola.
sports talaga.
Sports ko yan, honey.
Favorite sports daw to ni Gwen.
Sampunin natin si Gwen.
Yeah.
Sige.
Hindi pwede magbabounce yung chick.
Magbabounce yung chicks.
Yeah.
Chill lang.
Ay, ang ganda ng pagkakuha. Wow!
Ay,
Okay.
Hirap pag tatlo na kasi puno na
Alright.
mo ng bowl.
Okay.
wow. Wow.
Wow!
Tamaan kasi mo ng bola.
Galing!
Anong next?
Ang
guys?
galing.
Four. Oy,
Basta hanggang makano ka 10. Tapos lahat yung puno.
Ang galing. Ang layo nun ah. Wow!
Five na siya. Five.
Hey!
We have the winner.
Yeah.
Wow, 6! Oh, wow!
Sirap naman nun.
35 seconds left.
Wow! 7.
Ay,
na yan!
Okay na yan.
Sige!
Go lang.
Tapusin mo.
10 mo na.
10 no, 10.
10.
Kaya na yan. Kaya na.
Layo!
Wow! Wow!
I feel validated. Feeling ko pwede na ako mag-Olympic.
Let's go! Ang galing, galing.
Okay.
So we have the winner for this episode.
And the winner is...
Ate Aya? Uy!
I wanted to
May
win.
bias.
Siya din. She wants to win. Karing.
Let's all congratulate Ate Maloy!
Jackstone is my favorite. Kasi ginagawa ko yun ng grade 6 ako.
Oh, grade
So, ang
6.
saya. Saya. Dami nangyari and nanalo ko.
Yes. Second
Win
win.
mo na to, second?
It's my second win.
Wow!
Yung sa'yo. Ni Kaya.
This is yours, Ate Maloy. Congratulations! Thank you!
Teka lang. Oh my gosh.
Grabe, ang energy namin lahat in my Beaver! Energy!
Oh.
Thanks to the help of Enervon Z Plus for the extra energy to do each challenge. Wow, ano to? Wow! Wow!
Oh.
Ba't wala
Pahingin photo cards ng Enervon.
Kinuha ng nanay ko for sure.
May fan rin sila.
Ano to, iwahiwalay tayo nag-shoot?
Hindi na natapos yung outro ni Mix.
Joke lang.
Na-distract sa
Yes,
box.
may photo cards. Wow! Yeah, thank you so
Oh,
much.
OT8. Ay! Kunin ko na yan.
Thank you so much, guys.
Uy! Nahulog. Muntik na mahulog. Ay!
Thank you so much for
Talaga
watching our
naman.
episode of Mikalim Picks Beanie Versus.
My
Hey!
general thoughts. Iba talaga ang epekto ng Enervon.
Let's
This
go.
episode, hindi ako na-drain. Sobrang energized ko. Like, sabi ko,
Sobra,
ba't
Shi.
kaya? Yung pala, bago mag-start, uminom ako ng something. What's that something? Enervon!
Diba, energized pa tayo? Okay, dahil dyan, one more round of the cheers.
Siloy talaga. Every episode.
Kasi ano lang, affected lang ako ngayon eh. Hindi,
It's
hindi ako
okay.
nakakapag-full out talaga eh.
It's okay, Gwen. Sana may season 2, bawi ka dun, Gwen.
Eh, kasi host ako. Ang dayan na.
Isabay daw kayo ni Ate Aya. Let's go. Hey! Wow! 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 Yung glasses. Wala. Napaka-flexy talaga. Oh, yeah. I love that. I love that. Uy. Uy na si Maloy. So that's it, Bloom. That's it, Blooms. Grabe. Ang saya talaga. Every episode talaga, mauubos energy mo. Pero sa episode na to, syempre, sobrang energized tayo because of Enervon. Nag-promote din siya. Ayun lang. So, sobrang saya. Ang saya talaga. Tuwang-tuwa ako sa episode na to. So active, no? Talagang athletic ba naman yung game master nyo eh. Nasabak tuloy kayo sa sports. And, yun lang. Thank you for joining me for this reaction video. See you on the next episode. Oh my gosh. Last 2 episode na lang. Sana may season 2. And, lagi namang may ayuda yung binigers natin. See you pala sa lahat ng a-attend ng All-Star game. Finally, I'm gonna see Mika Lim. See you, player number 8. Playing volleyball. Oh my gosh, bye Blooms. Take care.